Hello everybody, today is Black Friday sale, so on your request again I got a wide range of Pitaka products to show you, but this time for iPhone 13 series. If you are from UAE, make sure to check the link for their official Amazon store in the description of this video. We will start with the MagEZ Car Mount Pro charger, which can wirelessly charge your phone while you drive. It is compatible with iPhone 13 series MagSafe technology, so you can directly snap and charge your iPhone 13 to this car mount even without the Pitaka case. However, with the case it will be even stronger magnetic connection. It has a built-in fan cooling system and a lot of safety functions, so you don't need to worry about overheating while charging. Inside the box you can find USB Type-C cable and adapter to mount it on the car ventilation. As you can see, this adapter is suitable for horizontal vent grille, and if you have the round ones in your car, then you can buy this other version with suction cup that you can mount anywhere in the car. To mount it, just insert the hook into the air vent grille and adjust the roll to tighten it securely. Plug in the cable in the car and the MagEZ Car Mount and attach the device to start charging while you drive. Our second item is MagEZ Wallet 2, which can easily snap to the iPhone directly or on the Pitaka case. This wallet is super light as it is made from carbon fiber and it protects your cards against RFID data readers. The downside of this wallet is that it can hold only up to 2 cards, but because of that it is very slim and it can fit in the pocket easily even when attached to the phone. And if you need for more cards, I think also it is modular, so you can add more layers in the middle as it is all connected with magnets. Finally, our most important item is Pitaka Mug Sks2, and I got it into black and red carbon, so you can compare them and grab the one you like more. This case is ultra light, weighing only 22 grams and only 1.4 mm thick, making it perfect for iPhone 13. It is made out of genuine aramid fiber, which makes it very durable and protecting your phone from all sides, including front and most importantly back side for the camera lenses protection. This case is also MagSafe compatible, making it perfect for wireless charging with any MagSafe charger and of course the MagEZ Car Mount charger which I showed before. As you can see, all the buttons are still easily accessible while having all edges on the phone perfectly protected. Around the camera there is additional soft rubber protection to ensure the total protection against any scratches. Let me know which color you like more, red or black. And to remove the case you can start from the side and feel free to apply some additional pressure. As the fitting is perfect, you need to apply a bit of force to remove the case from the phone. That will be all for this video. Make sure to check the links in the description of this video to see all available items from the Pitaka store, as they have a lot of cool accessories. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.